Welcome back to Haircuts. As you can see in front of us, we have a tractor deck in very good condition, and it came out of that tractor right there. As you can see, there's another one already underneath, and what we're going to be doing today is we're going to restore that one there so it doesn't end up looking like this one here. So what's happened here is it's rusted out almost completely on this one, this part right here. It's almost 3/4 of the way has been rusted out. That's underneath that pulley is where one of the blades goes, the other blade goes there, and in the center you have some idler pulleys, and you can see that basically everything is just falling apart, and it's just very far gone. So we found another used deck to replace this with, and we're gonna transfer all of our stuff over to it. And then before we do that, we got to get it off this tractor and then start sanding it down, get all the surface rust off, paint it up, and then put it back together so it looks like new. And that'll be today's project. There we have it, a very nice, quick and easy project. All we need to do is grind down or brush off wire wheel, any loose rust, any dirt, and remove any grease if there is any. And then we undercoated the bottom, painted the top just to make it look nicer. And then before we put everything back, we oiled the bottom of the where we undercoated. And the reason for that is to make it easier to hose off and allow the grass clippings to come off a little bit easier with the water so that things aren't getting built up and creating rust. So that's just another preventative measure, and we're all good to go. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch y'all next time.